Before starting the video, when you watch my video on YouTube, search for My Me Women. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss new uploads. Hello friends, today I will show you an amazing hair oil which will help reduce hair fall, dandruff, flaky scalp, dullness and frizz. And this hair oil is made from basic daily herbs we use in our kitchen. So let's begin. Keep all the ingredients ready. First, we are going to take peeled garlic 15 to 20 cloves and grind it. Keep the grinded garlic ready and all the ingredients ready. First, we'll heat a pan. On medium heat, we will first put coconut oil 1 cup. Then we use mustard seed 1 teaspoon. After the seed starts popping up, we are going to add cumin seeds, jeera, about 1 teaspoon, and the peeled crushed garlics, 15 to 20 garlics, and ginger, which is shredded, 1 teaspoon. After that, we are going to add curry leaves, about 1 cup. Now boil it for 2 to 3 minutes and turn off the flame. Stir this oil for a while and after 5 to 10 minutes cover it and keep it overnight. After that, we are going to store it in a bowl or a bottle. Let's strain it. Mustard seeds has lot of vitamin E and vitamin B, which helps give your hair a beautiful lustre and also help regenerate the production of sebaceous glands. Cumin seed extracts are known for making the root of the hair strong and make hair strong and healthy. Ginger increases the blood circulation to the scalp of your hair and this enables hair growth. Garlic helps in collagen production that helps stimulate hair growth. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and moistures the scalp. If you use this for daily purpose, you will have amazing results. Do like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.